In today's how-to, we're going to be talking about a nifty little feature, which is an oldie but a goodie, spell check. In this case, spelled as S-C-A-Y-T, something that would not pass the spell check. So, of course, you can enable and disable the spell checker from this in any input box throughout the system that has this bar. And when it is enabled, you can type thing that don't work, and then you can fix them. And of course you can optimize this to ignore things that you want it to ignore, select different languages. Of course, very important distinction between American and British English, which I've been learning the very hard way living in Australia. And you can add words to your dictionaries like your brand name or other special words. So feel free to take advantage of that and use that anywhere where you find this box in the YouLi application. Enjoy!